Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is on the best steering wheel covers. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Starting at number 5, LKWLIKEI leather steering wheel cover. Ever felt that your steering wheel gets slippery on long drives? Or maybe your hands get tired and sweaty after hours behind the wheel? I used to struggle with uncomfortable, boring steering wheels in my Tesla, but then I found the LKWLIKEI leather steering wheel cover. It's custom made for Tesla Model 3 and Y. Perfect fit, no hassle. The soft Nappa leather feels amazing, super breathable and gentle on skin. No more sweaty palms, even after hours on the road. Check out this diamond checkered design, so stylish and unique. It instantly upgrades my Tesla's interior, minimalist but with personality. The non-slip rubber lining means zero slipping, even on sharp turns. I feel way more in control, especially on long drives. Installation? Took me just 30 seconds. No tools, no struggle. It's easy to remove and clean too, practical for daily use. If you want comfort and style for your Tesla, try this cover. Upgrade your drive, grab yours, and enjoy every journey. Number 4, YOGURTCK Diamond. Soft leather anti-slip. Meet the YOGURTCK Diamond. Soft leather steering wheel cover. 15 inches of universal bling. Fits sedans, SUVs, vans, and trucks. Crystal rhinestones so shiny, even disco balls get jealous. Soft leather grip, like shaking hands with a baby panda. Protects your hands from sizzling summer or icy winter wheels. Anti-slip design, no more steering wheel slip and slide moments. Easy installation, just stretch, pull, and voila, instant glam. Pro tip, heat it up in the sun for a smoother install. Crystals feel comfy, no scratchy bling attacks here. Sunlight hits, your car turns into a mobile sparkle party. Universal fit, 14.5 to 15 inches, one size fits almost all. Perfect for women drivers and style enthusiasts everywhere. Upgrade your car's look because your steering wheel deserves diamonds. Drive with confidence, comfort, and a dash of dazzling style. YOGURTCK, turning every drive into a red carpet event. Number 3, Sulida Sport Drive steering wheel cover. Ever feel your steering wheel slipping on hot days? Or maybe your hands get tired during long drives. I used to struggle with sweaty palms and uncomfortable grips. But then I found this silicone steering wheel cover. It's super soft, flexible, and fits most cars perfectly. The anti-slip design gives me total control even on sharp turns. I love the stylish gray look. It instantly upgrades my interior. The unique bumps add extra grip and a cool texture. Plus, it's high temperature resistant, no more burning hands. Cleaning is a breeze, just wipe and go. The cover's special sensor-friendly design keeps all controls responsive. Watch me slip it on, done in seconds, no tools needed. Now my drives feel safer and a lot more comfortable. If you want style, safety, and comfort, try this cover. Upgrade your wheel today, your hands will thank you. Number 2, SEG Direct 15-inch black and gray microfiber. I gripped my steering wheel. Ouch! Burning hot again, sweat dripped, hands slipping. My daily drive? Torture. Why does my steering wheel feel like sandpaper? Faded, cracked, sticky. My car's interior looked ancient. Every turn felt risky. My grip? Never secure. I envied friends' cars, sleek, stylish, comfortable ride. Was my car doomed to look and feel old? I tried towels, gloves, even a random cover. Nothing worked. One day, I almost lost control on a sharp turn. My heart pounded. Enough was enough. I needed change. Then I spotted the SEG Direct Microfiber steering wheel cover. Black and gray, two-tone design, sleek, modern, eye-catching. Could this be the upgrade I desperately needed? I hesitated. Would it really fit my 15-inch wheel? Installation looks simple. Warm it up, slip it on. I tried. In minutes, my steering wheel transformed. The grip. Wow, non-slip, soft microfiber. No more sliding. And it felt luxurious, like driving a brand new car. No more burning hands in summer. Sweat? Instantly absorbed, my hands relaxed, fatigue faded, driving became pure joy. The stylish stitching added texture. My interior looked upgraded. Friends noticed. Did you get a new car? Nope, just the SEG Direct steering wheel cover. Now every drive feels safer, smoother, and more fun. My wheels protected from scratches, sun, and fading. No more embarrassment or discomfort, only confidence and style. Don't settle for a worn, unsafe steering wheel. Upgrade now with SE Direct. Comfort, protection, and style await. Click the link, transform your drive today. Number 1, Valleycomfy 15-inch leather steering wheel cover. Tired of slippery, uncomfortable steering wheels? Upgrade your drive with Valleycomfy leather steering wheel cover. Imagine gripping soft, luxurious leather every time you drive. Perfect for daily commutes, road trips, or quick errands. Fits most mid-size steering wheels, 14.5 to 15.25 inches. Crafted from heavy-duty, genuine leather for lasting quality. Weighs over 1.6 pounds. Thick, plush, and substantial. Feel the difference. Soft, yet resilient in your hands. 91% odor-free lining keeps your car smelling fresh. No more chemical smells, just pure driving comfort. AntiSlip design gives you a secure, confident grip. Stay in control even on sharp turns or sudden stops. Skid-proof lining ensures the cover never slips or twists. Drive safer with enhanced grip and stability. Summer heat, no problem. Keeps your steering wheel cool and comfortable to touch. No more burning hands after parking in the sun. Upgrade your vehicle's interior instantly. Sleek black leather with stylish white sports detailing transforms your car's look. Luxury meets performance. Perfect for safety-conscious drivers and style enthusiasts. Easy to install, fits snugly, stays put, no tools required, just slip it on and go. Experience premium comfort every time you drive. Protects your original steering wheel from wear and tear. Enjoy a fresh, upgraded driving experience every day. Why settle for less when you can have the best? Transform your drive. Choose Valleycomfy leather steering wheel cover now.